Whew. Hey everyone. Sorry about the snow. Oh, it's still because it's shining. It's getting all the snow particles in the way.
Let me see.
Yeah, see? See all the snow?
Yeah, but
That's good. They know we ain't lying. It's snowing. It's a blizzard out. So it's really
this
deep.
is our garden. No, our beautiful garden.
Stop it.
Okay.
Christian, dude, I swear I'm gonna just slap you.
All right.
Oh, that's okay.
All right. Let's go this way. What is today? The 8th? The 7th?
It's not even the 8th.
No, it's the 7th. Yes, the 7th. Ah! Let me turn around.
Oh,
Oh,
move.
I can't. Snow's in my face. Ah, I got snow in my face.
Oh shit, you don't belong outside.
Yeah, I know. It's a blizzard.
Come on. Fight. Fight. I found some new weapons we can get. Over there. And I said, who's going for it?
You. Let's go. Give me that.
I'm gonna go for it.
How deep is it?
Deep.
Whack your way through.
Might take a few hours.
Wait, I got this. Wait, take the camera. Wait, I got this.
No, I got it.
Wait, I got it.
I'm going through.
No, I got a better idea. Watch. Let me see. Let me see. I got a better idea. Take the camera. Record. Go back and forth, man. Just gotta go back and forth.
Come on, come
So
on.
now when you step on it,
I can get through, I can get through, I can get through. Come on, I can get through.
you got it?
Yeah, I can get through.
Okay, camera.
I'm going in.
All right.
Can we use the shovel?
Don't lose your phone out here. No.
All right.